Welcome again to Budget with Brian. I've been asked a question that I hadn't thought of before, which was, what is the channel designed to do? My idea of what the channel is meant to do is to show you the tools that I think are good and I use in my semi-professional, certainly enthusiastic DIY arena. So I think it's for both professionals and for the keen DIYer. But that's what the channel's about. What we've got new this week. Well, short time ago I went along to the FFX exhibition and I told you that I'd bought the Bosch battery 12 volt cordless edge router, and I've yet to demonstrate this in full, but one of the things that it did is provoke me to look also on eBay and to look at the other kind of edge routers that are available. For example, a mains powered one, and I came across this. Now this one is a name that I've not come across before. It's called a Katsu. It looks remarkably similar to a number of edge routers that I've seen. Even the colour might be an indication of where they're wanting you to think. But I haven't tried it yet, and it seems to have a number of useful features. It will clamp so that you can adjust the table up and down, like so. It's got a micro adjust. It's got a micro adjust here, and it comes with this adjuster which is designed to go there, and it's got this follow cam here. But when we get into the book, I haven't yet fully worked out what it's designed to do. That'll be when I put a tool in it and give it a go. But at the moment, 240 volts, £30 for an edge router. One of the things I tend to do is put permanently in it either a rounding off edge or a trimming edge in a low cost router, so that I don't have to keep setting tools up. That'll be what this is used for when I do it. Quite a neat little tool, I think that's going to be. So, now we come to the main event, which of course is the bodgeometer. Now, where are we with the bodgeometer? Well, we've got 270,617 viewings. We've now got 163 films, and we've got a number of new subscribers, 526. Thank you for joining. And what we want is some more. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. And if you've got a comment, don't hesitate to let me know.